how to fix verification failed Apple ID error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can also switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. In settings, again, tap on general and then on VPN and device management option, and make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN. And if you are connected to the VPN, then go ahead and disable the VPN. Next, in general, again, reset network settings. To reset, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings, and by now, your issue should have been fixed. So, this is how you can fix verification failed Apple ID error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.